How to hide like counts from Instagram posts. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to hide like counts from Instagram posts. But before I do that, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app and then head over to your profile. Then find the post that you'd like to hide the like count on. Tap the three dots in the top right hand corner of that post. And then you'll see there's an option to hide the like count. So tap on that one, and the like count for this post has now been hidden. And that's what it takes to hide like count for Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.